G'day there, it's Glen Smith here from a windy officer at Your Next Car, taking you through our 2022 Toyota Hilux SR loaded with heaps of extras. The reason we do these videos is to give you a really good understanding of the vehicle's quality and condition internally and externally, and handy if you do live a fair way away from us here at Officer. Gives you confidence the vehicles of great quality. Now the ute is running throughout the video, may not hear it due to the wind, and hopefully you can hear me during the wind as well. But as you'll see from the video, the vehicle presents very, very well. So we'll start from the driver's door. As you'll see, vehicle is fitted with window tint, but your paint condition all the way down the driver's door is absolutely phenomenal. All the way down to your metal scrub rails, so really good set of scrub rails fitted. And also an Ironman steel Bullbar, which I'll show you as we move through the video. But coming up to your front guard, where your scrub rails are, really good condition. Down to your factory alloy wheels and tyres. So plenty of tread left on the tyres, and your alloy wheels are in great condition as well. Heading around the front end of the vehicle, like I said, it does have an Ironman steel Bullbar fitted. Really good quality Bullbar. Scrub rails to suit. But as you see, overall condition all the way around the front end of the vehicle, again, presents very, very well. Heading up to your bonnet section, paint condition on the bonnet is absolutely phenomenal. And you'll see you do have your UHF aerials. There's a UHF in the vehicle also as well. Coming on the passenger side, front guard, down your scrub rails again, paint condition really good. Your scrub rails are in great order. Down to your alloy wheel and tyre, plenty of tread left on the tyres. And also your scrub rails, again, are in great condition as well, all the way along that passenger side. Really clean throughout. Coming back to your paint condition on that front door on the passenger side, as you'll see, really clean throughout. Again, no damage to note, up to your window tint, really good quality. Coming back to your rear door on that passenger side again with your paint, it does present very, very well. Really clean all the way through with condition on the back. Again, your rear alloy on the passenger side, tyre condition is fantastic. Heading up to your Toyota genuine steel tray, really good quality trays, these genuine Toyota trays. Bit of minor wear inside. Again, you do have some plugs in here as well, so auxiliary plugs there if needed. So a bit of minor wear on the tray, but it is quite normal being a work ute. Again, we'd rather be straight up and transparent and show you it does have a bit of minor markings in tray, but nothing major as normal. Most trays are normally in the kind of same position these ones are in. It does have a rear galvanised ladder rack as well. But as you see, a bit of minor wear in the tray, but again, nothing too major. Coming to the back end of the vehicle, it does have a tow bar fitted. Also reverse camera, which I'll show you as we take you through the cabin. But as you see, trays in good order. No damage to note, just your minor wear and tear, just from work side of things. And then coming around the back end of the driver's side tray section, again, no damage to note on that tray section. Your rear tyre and alloy wheel, plenty of tread left on the tyre, and alloy wheels in great condition as well. And then to finalise your paint condition on that rear door on the driver's side, again, really clean condition of the paintwork, no major damage to note. Does present very, very well. Let's take you through the interior now while we're here. All right, we'll open the door, the rear door on the driver's side. Again, your door card's in great order. It does have a genuine set of Toyota rubber floor mats fitted as well. Again, your cloth interior presents very well. No damage to note on the interior. Over to your passenger seat again. Really clean condition. Your door card, and then back to your seats. Again, no damage to note. Very, very clean all the way through. Presents very, very well. Let's take you through the driver's door. We'll put that banner back in there. Let's open the driver's door up. Alright, let's start from the door card. So I want to hold on with the wind. Door card on the driver's side, so no damage to note on the door card. Back to your interior for your seating. Again, no damage to note on your seats. So cloth interior is in great order. No tears or splits in that cloth interior. Seat again, really clean condition. To your door card, back to your seating, so really clean condition. I'll jump inside the ute, we'll get the exact kilometres for you as well. Being a 2022 model, the kilometres are quite low on this one, so good kilometres. It's done 96,786, so they're the current kilometres the ute has travelled as of today. Back to your steering wheel, you do have your Bluetooth controls, your volume controls on the left hand side of your steering wheel. Over to your right is your adaptive cruise, which is your safety sense. And also bigger kilowatts and tow rating from late 20 onwards. So this is the current tow rating, so bigger kilowatts, bigger tow rating as well. Across the stereo system, so it's the upgraded stereo system, so the bigger screen. Again, reverse camera will come up as soon as I select reverse. I've just popped in reverse now so you can see it's in reverse. Beneath that, air conditioning and heating controls, USB port, your UHF cord which connects to your UHF, which is just over here, your 4x4 dial, 12 volt plug there, and your lights for your front end of your vehicle. So really good quality utility, great condition. Balance of factory warranty too, being a 2022 model, and only just under 97,000 so really good quality, great condition, perfect for the next owner. So I'll jump outside the ute, we'll wrap up the video. If you do have any other questions in relation to this ute or anything else we have in stock here at Your Next Car and Officer, please don't hesitate to give us a call at the dealership. If you need to speak to Glen or Andrew, we'll all be here to help you and look after you as best we physically can. But again, it's been a pleasure to take you through our 2022 Toyota Hilux SR. Otherwise, have a great day.